Go, Savannah, go.
Let's go, Savannah. Roll over today.
Let's go. Go, Savannah, go. You can do it. Yeah, take the fingers out of your mouth. Hi. Say hi. There you go. Let's see. Good job, baby girl.
Yay!
Good job, Savannah. Good job. There's a huge smile. You got a huge smile. Are you so cute? Are you trying to kick those feet? Where are you going? Savannah. Savannah. Hi. Are you
Savannah,
so
can you roll back over?
cute? Hi. Hi. See ya, you're so strong, aren't ya? Let's see, what else are you gonna do? What do you do now? You know how to do it. Are you getting tired? You want me to stop it? Are you gonna roll the other way? Let's see. Good job.
Yay.
How do I stop it? That?